You're welcome to the Nati Guide. Today's video is about how to earn an extra income on the YouTube Creators Job Board. So whether you are a YouTube professional or a creator, you can still land your dream job using this particular platform. So all you have to do is just type ytjobs.co, ytjobs.co. Then you hit enter. When you hit enter, you would have to sign up and complete your profile. When I click on the please complete your profile button over here, you can see that you have the option to add a profile image, the current role that you want to work for. You can add an about page. You can also add reviews. Then you would have to confirm your email address, your Twitter handle, and other social media platform. You would also have to add some links, maybe your social media links, and you can add experience, you can add language skills too as well. So the moment you're done with all that, you can browse through the open job opportunities and apply to the one that best suits you. So I'm going to close this and go back to my profile. So in case I want to work as a video editor, I'm just going to click on one of these and then look at what the job is about, look at the ideal candidate, the job requirements, the language requirement. And if I qualify, I can just click on the easy apply and apply for this particular role. So this is all about the YouTube Creators Job Board. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.